Bee investigation. What species of bees were at the Weaver Lake courtyard?
Importance of bees. Bees are all important for pollinating because bees pollinate almost 1/3 of our food, like apples, tomatoes, pumpkins, and other things.
Some other pollinators are bats, flies, moths, and butterflies.
Bee field trip. I learned that honeybees use royal jelly to make new queens, and then once they emerge, the new queen battles the old queen, and only one queen ends up victorious. Most of the time, the new queen is victorious. We are losing honeybees because of mites, pesticides, monoculture, and they're losing their habitats.
Native bees. Some bees native to Minnesota are bumblebees, gypsy cuckoo bees, two-spotted longhorn bees, furrow bees, Wilkes mining bees, blue orchard bees, and much more. They're important because they pollinate important crops.
Our investigation procedure. First, we went out to the courtyard and we had a container. While the bee was on the flowers taking pollen, we trapped it. Next, we took pictures on our iPad and wrote our observations. Then, Mr. Montero put all the bees in a freezer, and the next day, we pinned it with the pin and put on a cork. We used a magnifying glass and we took pictures. Last, we identified it to see what kind of bee it was.
Results. This graph shows how many bees Miss LJ's class captured in the courtyard. And this graph shows how many bees the whole 5th grade captured.
Threats to pollinators. Mites attach themselves on bees and suck their blood out of them and kills the bee. Some people put pesticides on their flowers, which are chemical compounds that kills the bee or makes the bee lose its memory of where its hive is.
Advocacy. Here's what you can do to help bees. You can plant bee-friendly plants such as sunflowers, purple coneflower, goldenrod, cup plants, and much more. You can not use pesticides, and it's important because they pollinate at least 30% of the food we eat.
Credits. Created by Delora and
Gweneth.